Hi everyone! I'm excited to show you our first tool for checking color accessibility today. As we know already, color contrast is an important factor to consider when developing content. The WCAG accessibility guidelines seem complicated and maybe a little scary, but WebAIM offers a free color contrast checker. It's a simple yet powerful tool for evaluating the accessibility of your color combinations. Let's get started. First, we'll access WebAIM's color contrast checker by going to webaim.org/resources/contrast checker. There are several options for selecting the foreground or text color. We'll start by entering the color's RGB code in hexadecimal format. For example, the hex code for black text is 6 zeros. We'll repeat this process for an off-white background color by entering the hex code FFFFEB. If you don't know the hex codes for your color combination, you can click the color box next to each field to use a color picker that will extract the color value from any element on your screen. You can also choose a different color format here, but we'll stick with RGB for this demo. Okay, so here's the logo for our course. We'll open the color picker and select the eyedropper tool. And then you just click on the colors from the web page or image that you want to test. So we'll choose green for the text and the eyedropper tool again, and yellow for the background. The checker will then display the contrast ratio of your selected colors here. It will also display a pass or fail indicator for normal and large text based on the ratios specified in the WCAG 2.0 guidelines. It will also do that for the WCAG 2.1's graphics and user interface components such as form input borders. So in total there are 5 pass-fail possibilities. So as you can see, this color combination failed miserably, but this is where it gets fun. We're going to close out this picture and go back to full screen. The WebAIM tool lets you adjust your colors to improve the contrast based on the feedback from the checker. So we'll open the color picker again, and we can click and drag the circle to adjust the lightness and darkness, or the value of your original color. Or you can use the slider below to achieve the same results. We'll adjust the foreground and background colors until we have a contrast ratio that passes the test. So we'll choose a dark green for our text, and we'll do that on a pale background, and it passes with flying colors. And that's it. Now it's your turn. Take some time to explore WebAIM's contrast checker on your own. Try applying it to color palettes from your past projects and share the results in the discussion board. For your future designs, consider putting accessibility at the beginning of your design process rather than at the end. By flipping the process around and starting with accessible high-contrast color combinations, you can save yourself extra time and effort. Now let's check out the next tool.